Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Descript. First of all, open your browser and type in your browser Descript. Now once you're here, just scroll down and click on this download Descript for free. Now once you're here, scroll down and download the Descript setup according to your operating system. You can even start for free with the link down in the description. Now after you're done downloading the setup, just click on the setup and it will install the Descript app for you. Now after the app has been downloaded, open the app. Now once you open the application, you will have to create an account, and after that you will be at the home page. Now once you're done with that, click on this new button and click on a project you want to create. Well, I will be making a video project, so I'm just going to click on a video project. Now once you're in the project, the video you will make will be shown here. Your composition slash the script of the video will be shown here. Now scenes will be shown here and different types of settings will be shown on the right side. Now we're going to import a file, and for importing a file, click on this media button and you can either drag and drop to add the file. So I'm just going to click on there and upload a video, let's say this one to Descript. After a video has been added to media, just drag it and just drop it here. Now after you drop the video, Descript will ask some information about the video. For example, how many speakers are there, what do you want to name the speakers, and what language is the script in. My speakers are set to 1. I'm not gonna name my speaker right now, and the language of my script is English, so I'm just gonna click on done. You can even record directly by just clicking on this record button. You can record your audio only, your camera, or you can even record your screen. Well, this button is for text purposes. You can add title text, subtitles, text, and captions. This button is to add shapes into the video. And this button right here is to add different templates to your video. Now after your video has been uploaded, you can even change the aspect ratio by just clicking on this button. I'm gonna change it to portrait. And after that, just click on your video and just adjust it according to your needs and desires. I'm just gonna paste them a bit here. Just gonna put it here. Now I'm just gonna undo it. After uploading the video, it will be automatically transcribed by Descript. And to edit the video, you just simply need to edit the text. Now you can start the video from wherever you want by just clicking behind the word where you want to start the video from and just clicking on this play button.
Feel the magic of every drop. Unlock vibrant, flourishing hair.
You can correct some mistakes in the text if you want to by just selecting the mistaken part and just clicking on correct and just type in the correct word. You're just clicking correct and that word will be corrected. Now this step is important if you're making a YouTube video, as you can transport this transcript and use it as captions in your YouTube video. Now if you want to cut some parts from your video, just select the text of the part you want edited out and just press delete and it will be removed. Just like this. I'm just going to remove this line here. Just simply click on delete and it will be removed. And that whole part from the video will be removed. You can even bring a part from another video and add it in your main video. Just click on this button on the top left corner and click on back to projects. Now after that, create a new project. And upload that other video to this project. Just click on add files. I'm just gonna upload this video here. Click on open. Just drag and drop it here. After that, click on done. Now after that video has also been transcribed, select the text of the part you want to add to your own video. I'm just gonna select this line here. Control plus C. Now go back to the projects. open the last project and just place it here. And that part of the video will be moved to the original video. Just play it now. Just click on this play button.
Unlock the secret to stunning looks. But do you know what's beneath the shine? Harsh chemicals may strip your scalp. Healthy hair starts with a thriving scalp.
And here is the transition. So that's how you can add another part of your video into your own video. Now, if you want to remove a part of your video but you don't want it to be completely removed from the text, select that part. For example, I'm just gonna select this part right here and just click on this button here, the ignore button. Now we're gonna play the video from here.
Harsh chemicals may strip your scalp. Healthy hair starts with a...
So here, this part of the video was ignored, but it's still there. Now to undo this, just do the process again. Select it again and click on this button once again. Now if you want to add more clips, more like cash cow editing style, just single out that part and place a forward slash behind it. So I'm just gonna, let's say, single out this thing here and just click on this forward slash button and a new scene will be added. Now after the scene has been made, you can use your own footage or use the free stuff provided by Descript. Just select that scene and after that click on the media button and you can search for different videos, images, audios and stuff. Let's say this one, just click on it. Now after that, resize it according to your needs and desires. Let's say I'm just gonna put it a bit towards the side, just like here. Now we're gonna play the video from here. Just click on the play button.
Ready to dive into the secrets. The secrets of hair health that lie beneath. Ever wondered what fuels the hair growth?
As you see, the GIF appears on the side of the video as I added it. Now I'm just gonna undo it. Now let's talk about the timeline. You can use this to fine tune your edits or to cut out moments of silence, basically to have more control over the edit. Now Descript will do most of the job for you and will cut out most of the parts and will edit the video quite nicely, but you will have to use the timeline to fine tune them to make sure there are no visual gaps and black spaces in between. You can use templates on your video just like you use the stock footage. Just click on the template button and you can use the free ones provided by Descript, and you can even upload your own templates by just clicking on this media button and uploading that template here. Now if you use your own template, you can save it and that template will be saved in this drive here. You can even add captions by just clicking on this text button over here and click on captions. You can place them wherever you want. I'm just gonna put it below here. Now you can even customize this text. For example, you can change the font. I'm just gonna move it to, let's say, I'm gonna move it to Sora. You can even download other fonts as well. Now after that, you can even change the style of the text. Like if you click on this classic button and you can choose, let's say I choose this active word one and just click on this add button. Now the active word setting means that the word that is being said right now by the voice actor is highlighted. You can even change the color of that highlight. I'm just gonna move it a bit towards green, I should say. For that, you can even change the background color of that highlight. Just gonna move it back to the red. And you can change the whole color of the text by just clicking on this fill button right here and just change it back. I'm just gonna move it to black. Now this text right here is pretty basic as I have made it just for this video. You can try out different fonts and different color combinations to get the perfect results. Now we're just gonna play the video.
It's a symphony of nutrients. Meet the caretaker of follicles, the scalp. Nurtured roots lead to flourishing hair. Introducing the Moroccan Hair Care Trio.
You can even resize the text. I'm just gonna increase this a bit. and hit play again.
A journey to hair wellness unlike any other. Revitalize your follicles.
So as you guys can see, the word that is being said by the voice actor at the present time is highlighted. Now after you're done with all your customizations, just click on this publish button. Now you can publish it directly to major platforms by just clicking on this web like button and choosing the platform where you want to publish it. And you can even export it to your computer by just clicking on this export option. Now in this window you can save this as different types of media. For example, you can save it as audio, GIF, timeline, transcript, subtitles and stuff. I'm just gonna save it as video. You can change the resolution and stuff as well. I'm just gonna keep it at 720. You can change the quality. Now you can even export specific parts of that video. For example, you can export this current scene that we are on, like the second one, current selection, the current composition. The current composition means the whole video is exported. So I'm just going to select this one. After that, just click on export and your video will be exported. So that's pretty much it. And that's how you can use Descript for video editing purposes. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.